Your wedding day will be a day you'll never forget. At Commercial Tent, your vision for a spectacular wedding will come to life with a customized outdoor wedding plan. We can create a cozy, intimate experience for your guests, or seat hundreds in our large tents where every guest enjoys your wedding under one roof. Dance under the stars in our clear-top tents. Any location you can dream of can be recreated outdoors. Your family home, the beach where he proposed, maybe a place that simply has a stunning view will become a magnificent backdrop for your special day. We'll create a 3D rendering to show you just how we'll make your dream wedding happen. Our tents are thoroughly cleaned with our state-of-the-art washing equipment so that every detail is perfect. From heating to flooring, staging to lighting, from the utensils to table linens, we'll ensure that every element is flawless. Call or email us at Commercial Tent to find out how we can make your wedding unique to you. Commercial Tent, your event covered.